Team. Chipper. Boss, I went Chipper Molo. This is what you show an action that. So long. Yes. Zakaria. Ita my computer.
La saluna. Computer no.
No wena.
Imto.
Uthole breakup.
Baba wami. Prokhuma.
Kizwa kahle. And you? What's your name?
Yo, I guess I inkomo longamthatha. Gary.
Okay, Gary, you be my colleague.
Alright, Bafethu, thanks for tuning in. Remember to give it a like, remember to subscribe. Hey, Bafethu, nami ngiphethe umkhuhlane Bafethu. I just want to dispel ama fake news waka Fernando da Cruz. That's why I'm talking to you. Fernando da Cruz to Kaizer Chiefs is fake news. Remember Fernando da Cruz wafika la South Africa before Nasruddin Nabi mabaphuma lapha ku AS FAR. Then AS FAR ile team edliwe iMamelodi Sundowns mabathatha iStars S2. Let's remember to congratulate them as a team. Mzansi. Right, guys, indaba yaka Fernando da Cruz, it's definitely not true. Let's congratulate Eden McCarthy. Eden McCarthy is moving to Azerbaijan League. Uyalapha ku-Sabah. Sabah is the second player from Kaizer Chiefs. Manikhumbula Hendrik Ekstein. Umfana katazwana lapha kumaZulu manje. He was the first Kaizer Chiefs player to move to AS FAR Rabat. And then manje uhambile Eden, congratulations to his father as well. Fabian umfundisi umfana umgrumile. And then there's another one olaphayana ku Kaizer Chiefs development. Is starting lineup bayalandelana, the McCarthy family baku Kaizer Chiefs. And another family eku Kaizer Chiefs Bafethu umkhono Msimane omncane, Junior Msimane laphayana kuma under 15 striker. That's the coach that's moving to Kaizer Chiefs as per memorandum yaphuma. And then they dispelling the indaba yaka Fernando da Cruz ukuthi uyeza Pitso Msimane to Kaizer Chiefs. Is definitely coming to Kaizer Chiefs Pitso. Not the ndaba le yaka Fernando da Cruz. Pitso already, as I've been reporting, ukuthi uyeza lapha ku Chiefs. So ndaba yaka Fernando da Cruz and whoever Bupeni, no, there's no discussions with any other coach. Kaizer Chiefs is currently in discussion with Pitso Msimane. And then already I'm a player khona abawathengile on pre-contract. I can only confirm Stellenbosch defender. Only one defender from Stellenbosch, central defender. Let's talk about it. If you know him, let's talk about it on the comment section below. You know him, Umoloisane Uthabo. He's following Ukwinika. Ukwinika naye namkhumbula is also a development product coming from Kaizer Chiefs. Wahamba wayalapha kuStelis wabuya ekhaya. That is Ukwinika. So that is a defender we already signed. Eden McCarthy going out. Lokuzana Thabo Moloisane coming in. Bamsigna on a pre-contract. Kevin Hunt wa confirm what uyahamba uThabo. Obviously Kevin Hunt now is a former Kaizer Chiefs player. So Bafethu ningixolele nami ngibashile. Niyabona ukuthi kuyabanda ngiphethwe umkhuhlane. And I just wanted to dispel fake news waka Fernando da Cruz. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe as well. Keep on subscribing. Good Diski. It's only free Bafethu. I will keep on giving you real news, transfer news. I'll tell you guys. And then in the Bayagasi and Ndlovu, Kaizer Chiefs are currently behind Lokuzan Orlando Pirates for Usianda Ndlovu. Umfukeng, from what I hear from the grapevine, Ngatuya Umfukeng, and then Usianda Ndlovu is favorite to replace Umfukeng lapha Orlando Pirates. Yazi ukuthi World Cup is there. And then Orlando Pirates, they've been rejecting offers, a couple of offers for Mofokeng. And then, right, guys, that's all I have. Usianda Ndlovu, Kaizer Chiefs, they've made an offer. Orlando Pirates, they've made an offer for Usianda Ndlovu. And then Kaizer Chiefs, they've also made an offer for Usise, a box-to-box midfielder. That is another potential move to Kaizer Chiefs. Right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers. Bye-bye.
We should respect the brand also. It's a big brand. I mean, it's a team I follow the same. I mean, we should respect it. And Thomas, it's easy. You know how we do, coaches. When Chiefs players go to the grandstand, then no, I don't do that. I don't need it. Okay? So if it's meant to be, it will be there. And I declare to you officially on TV, I am here, I'm available, I'm a professional coach. Okay? If it has to be, it will be. Do I want to coach Kaizer Chiefs? Why not? Why not coach Kaizer Chiefs? Why not?